when we knew we were going to do Prince Lot again and we were going to do Awana, Liko brought me the song Walea, recorded by the group Walea.
Earlier this year, Kusuza, who is a well-known Kumu Hula himself, he has a group, and they just released a new CD called Walea. Their opening number on this CD is called Walea. So the first time I heard it, it just had such a great upbeat, campy little sound to it that I decided, you know, this would be a good number for us to do. So I got it, asked Sky, and I let her listen to it, and we both thought, yep, this is what we want to do.
And as soon as I started listening to it, she played it for me. It was like a whole my moment saying, this is the song for us, because it has a lot of fun.
It has this real upbeat, you know, and I know we like to do campy stuff, you know, so I said this would be cool to do a real campy HΑLAU song. However, it's a short song. So then we decided, well, you know, maybe we got to find another song that can go into, that he can, you know, work into it and then end it again with Walea. And that's how we came up with Ku'ulehoku.
And then we grouped that with the Pu'ili in Ku'ulehoku. And Walea, the group Walea, sings it great. Good attitude, nice feeling, and we like to feature new groups.
So I talked to Ku and asked him if we could like use his number, obviously, open up with Walea, and then go into Ku'ulehoku, and then end with Walea also.